हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे वंस अगेन हियर इन दिस ब्रॉडकास्ट सेशन। सो यहाँ पे जो सीएलसी की मीट रही है उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। टुडे सीएलसी कंसाइलेशन मीटिंग हुई है एट दिल्ली, दैट इज़ ऑन द 6 दिसंबर 2023। सो होपफुली मैं उसको आज शेयर कर रहा हूँ दोस्तों। कल थोड़े से आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग सो मच गुड, तो तबीयत अलाउ नहीं कर रही थी। तो फुल सीएलसी मीट विद यूनियन उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। सो काइंडली मेक श्योर करना है, इसको शेयर कर देना विद द अदर respected friends who might be waiting for this consolidation meeting proceedings. So start करते हैं with the latest update that we have here. सो फाइनली जो कंसाइलेशन मीटिंग है दोस्तों वो हैपन हो चुकी है। सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं द साइंस ऑफ ऑल द मैनेजमेंट्स। सो हेल्थ डिस्कशन कंसाइलेशन मीटिंग्स जो भी हुई है, तो यू कैन सी द कंसल्टेशन मीटिंग ऑफिसर डिप्टी सीएलसी न्यू दिल्ली, उनके साइन है दोस्तों यहाँ पे, एंड ऑल द वेरियस यूनियन लीडर्स हेयर आल्सो यू कैन सी देयर साइंड। सो जो कंसाइलेशन प्रोसीडिंग्स adjourned and fixed on 22nd of January 2024 at 11:30 hours. So 11:30 को अभी नेक्स्ट मीटिंग है। सो दिस वाज द रीज़न। आपको पता होगा रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ स्पॉन्सर्ड बैंक्स नबार्ड एंड ए ऑल इंडिया रीजनल रूरल एम्प्लॉय एसोसिएशंस आर प्रेजेंट एज पर द अटैच्ड अटेंडेंस शीट। adjourned cancellation proceedings held today. The representatives of AIR RBEA submitted that the recruitment and promotion in some RRBs have not been initiated and requested that it should be expedited. So the representative of management of sponsor banks submitted that almost all the RRBs have initiated the process of promotion and recruitment of the employees through IBPS. And it was further clarified that by the representatives of NABARD and representative of SBI submitted that the necessary clarification in respect of AP GPB and Telangana GPB for recruitment have been clarified, and concerned जो RRBs have initiated the action for promotion and recruitment. So the representatives of AIRRBEA further submitted that at present there are more than approximately 30,000 vacancies in the RRB, and requested that all the vacant posts should be filled up through recruitment. So the representatives of NABARD has submitted the details of vacation. So in respect of each RRB, copies of same made available to the representatives of management of sponsored banks to ascertain the details of number of vacancies and action taken up for filling up of the vacant post. 30,000 is a very big number. The representatives of AIRRBA submitted that in some RRBs, large number of branches are headed by lower scale officers. The representative of management of sponsored banks submitted that the promotion process is continuing. The conciliation officer and deputy CLC advised to the representatives of management of sponsored bank to submit the details of branch head by the lower scale officers of their respective RRBs. So the representatives of DFS, Indian Overseas Bank, Bank of Maharashtra remain absent, and notice to be issued by email for next date of conciliation proceedings. So finally जो conciliation meeting है दोस्तों वो यहाँ पे happen हो चुकी है and over हो चुकी है. So this is the official update that is being told by AIRRBEA official Twitter handle. So that's all. Bye bye. Take care. All.